Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're in the community of Dunville Townhomes, which is located off of the street Dunville, which is between Westheimer and Richmond. So you're still very close to the medical center downtown and the major freeways, Beltway 8, 610, I-10. Now, this particular home is built by Meritage Homes. It is called the Harlow. The Harlow is a little over 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and the starting price is just going to be above the $400,000 mark. Now, if you are interested in what schools this home is zoned to, it is going to be Piney Point Elementary, Riviera Middle School, Wisdom High School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. Enjoy the tour.